Unlocking adult learning principles. What's the best or worst training you've ever experienced? And why did it stick with you? Let's find out what makes adult learning unique and how we can make training truly effective. What are learning theories? Learning theories are like recipes for teaching, helping us understand how people actually learn and which ingredients to use for maximum impact. There are lots of learning theories, but here's the secret. Adults learn differently than kids. Enter andragogy, the science of adult learning. Developed by Malcolm Knowles, andragogy says adults are self-directed, bring real-world experience, and want learning that's relevant. When creating learning experiences for adults, keep the following points in mind. Let adults take charge of their learning. Tap into their experience with peer stories and case studies. Make training practical and job relevant. Use real-world scenarios and simulations. And lastly, show the why and how upfront. So, ditch the content dump. Instead, involve your learners, respect their expertise, and connect every session to real business outcomes. Want your next training to stick? Start with these adult learning principles and watch your learners and your results grow.